My name is Christine Coughlin. I am the owner of Get Fused Permanent Jewelry Training and Education. I am a single mom. I am a local 537 pipe fitter out of Boston. I have been in the business for 10 years and I have been welding for 15 years. When I first came across permanent jewelry, it was actually on TikTok. I never shot so fast up out of my bed when I first saw that, just knowing that it was like my calling. And permanent jewelry has not only given me the, strength and fuel to my fire to be a business owner and a CEO and a trainer, but it has also given me the freedom to also spend more time with my son and meet new people and network. It's been really an amazing experience so far. I originally went to high school for cosmetology, and when I came across the exploratory, I picked up that stinger, and it was really my first love. I fell in love with it. It's an art to me. I am creating something beautiful with my hands, and I love to play with fire. So I knew exactly right then and there that I wanted to be a welder. Permanent jewelry has empowered me not only to help other permanent jewelry artists and network with other business owners, but it has also empowered me to be my own boss and open up my own studio and really just follow my dreams and my goals and aspirations. Not only has it helped me financially, it has brought me out of my shell. Talking to business owners and networking with other people was never really my forte because I'm kind of stuck in a building in the middle of Boston all day. And it's always something that I wanted to do, was be an entrepreneur, but I could never truly grasp that niche. When I came across permanent jewelry, I hit the ground running because this is something that I've worked so hard to be with my credentials and my knowledge and my skills. I've trained years to be the best welder that I can be, and permanent jewelry really just set the tone for me to be the best business woman and best boss that I can be.